Hi, I'm Juanita from the Bosch Springs Library, and today we'll be talking about Freegal, specifically audiobooks and music videos. I'll be teaching you how to stream and download both audiobooks and music videos, so let's get started. So to go to the site, you're going to go to our Bosch Springs Library Learning Center website. You're going to scroll all the way down until you see Freegal. You're going to go ahead and click it, and then afterwards you'll have to log in. So to log in, you're going to need your library card number and your PIN. Your PIN is going to be the last four digits of your Texas ID or your driver's license number. So I'm already logged in, so let's go ahead and look at the audiobooks first. So to browse the audiobooks, you're going to go to this little browse button, and then at the top you'll see audiobooks. So you're going to go ahead and click that. So now you can go ahead and browse featured audiobooks, top audiobooks, or new audiobooks. But today I'm going to go ahead and pick something. So now as you can see, the audiobooks are separated into chapters or tracks. So for audiobooks, you can either stream them completely, and again, you only have 3 hours per day. So if you wanted to stream that, you could. But to download them, you can click this little download button, but again, you do have a limited of 3 downloads per week. And then once you download them, you can also transfer the files onto other devices like your phone, so you can listen to the chapters wherever you go. You can also add the chapters to a playlist. Personally, I would use a playlist to keep track of where I am in the audiobook because there's no way to bookmark the chapter you're on in Freegal. So now that you know about audiobooks, we're going to go ahead and go look at music videos. So again, we're going to go ahead and go to browse, and then you're going to go to music videos up here at the top. And again, it's the same thing as audiobooks. You can look through featured music videos or top music videos or new music videos. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of them. And the main difference between music videos from audiobooks and songs is that music videos can't be streamed. You'll have to download them in order to watch it. So if I click on one of these, and you'll see that it only gives me the option to download it or to add to my wish list. So let's go ahead and download it. Cool, it's successfully downloaded, and as you can see, music videos are also different to where it took 2 of my downloads except for 1. So just be wary that music videos do take up 2 of your downloads instead of 1, which is the usual per songs. Once you have it downloaded, you can go to your My Music tab, which is again on the left side of the screen. The audiobooks and music videos can be re-downloaded a maximum of 2 times or until they're not available. You'll be able to do this by going to the My Music tab, which is right here on the left side, and then clicking on either music videos, which as you can see it shows up on mine, and then audiobooks. Your audiobooks will show up here, but I don't have any. So again, you'll be able to re-download them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new today.